Exosome Treatment for Feel Fit. Exosome therapy is an emerging field in regenerative medicine that holds promise for various health conditions, including improving overall fitness and well-being. Exosomes are tiny vesicles that play a critical role in cell-to-cell communication, carrying proteins, lipids, and genetic material. In therapy, exosomes can be harvested from stem cells or other sources and then administered to patients to promote tissue regeneration and repair. Feel Fit procedure. For exosome therapy aimed at promoting fitness, consult a healthcare provider for evaluation. If deemed suitable, exosomes are administered via IV infusion or injections. Follow-up appointments monitor progress. Lifestyle adjustments may accompany treatment. Collaboration with a qualified provider ensures safe, personalized care.